My name is Andi Tooke and I'm doing a scenic construction apprenticeship with Theatrical Services. I live in Pencoed and I like reading, drawing, doing cosplay. I've just finished 2 years of a backstage production course at Bridgend College and then was looking for something to do related to that between the academic year ending and now. I learned about all the health and safety of working in theatrical services, and I'd like to learn, apparently I might get to learn to weld stuff at when I'm doing the practical side of stuff, and that sounds pretty cool. So. Just getting to work on building sets for theatre shows and hopefully trying to get my name into the industry and saying like, look what I can do cool things, you should hire me.